the reason that I love Vena is ultimately that it allows me to meet my customers. Certain people may never pick up a planning solution or may not ever pick up the proprietary language of a planning solution, and they may be more comfortable operating in Excel. What Vena lets you do is ultimately take finance's favorite program, Excel, and have that supported by an enterprise grade architecture cloud database behind it to be able to make your process be scalable across a multitude of departments and subsidiaries, as well as managing workflow and visibility into where you're at inside of your budgeting and forecasting process at any time. In my history of implementing solutions, one of the biggest pain points is when headcount turnover happens for a company. It's not only oftentimes that the person is having to both learn a new solution and how that solution works and how data flows through that solution, but also oftentimes they're having to relearn formula logic and formula capability because they're having to take possibly their knowledge that might either be proprietary to another solution or might be proprietary to really just knowing how Excel works, but that logic may not be applicable in a new solution. One of the beauties of Vena is that if a customer is coming off of Excel or has an Excel background, all of the logic and everything that they know with regards to working in Excel is available and applies inside of the solution of Vena. And all you're really having to learn is how data flows within Vena and how the different data models work and connect and talk to each other. As a result, a end user is able to adopt, or a budget manager is able to adopt Vena easier because it's the platform many people in finance know and love, which is Excel. And then they have the scalability of the cloud database that sits behind it.